Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make ebi fry onigirazu. Ebi fry or shrimp fry is not a classic filling for onigiri at all. But when it comes to onigirazu, you can put whatever you like, even ebi fry. At the end of the video, I will show you how I create a menu with this ebi fry onigirazu. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. 2 cups of Japanese rice, some lettuce, panko breadcrumb, nori seaweed, tonkatsu sauce or any sauce you like, salt and pepper, some salt, shrimp. I have 7 today, but I think I'm going to use just 6. About 1 cup of all-purpose flour. At first, I'm going to cook the rice, so let's rinse it. Add some water. Stir gently. And drain. Repeat this 3 or 4 times. Let's put it in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice, so I'm adding 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. 1 and 2. Put the lid on and soak the rice in this water more than half an hour to give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. It's been soaked for half an hour, so let's start cooking. Just turn the heat on and bring it to boil. Now it's boiling, so let's turn the heat to low as you can go and set the timer for 12 minutes. It's being cooked for 12 minutes. Turn the heat off, keep the lid on and steam it for at least 10 minutes. And while we wait for that, let's make ebi fry. Let's remove the shell. And when we make ebi fry, we normally keep the tail on. But today I'm going to put it into onigirazu and I don't want any tail in it, so I'm going to remove the tail too. So head off, shells, legs and tail all off. To devein, prepare a toothpick and put it at the back of the shrimp. Gently pull it up and you can easily pull it out like this. Then, on the belly side of the shrimp, make some slit. Flip it over and push it down to break the spine. This will prevent shrimp curling up while it's being fried. Some salt and pepper, and let's spread them. I'm making batter, so 1 cup of water into 1 cup of flour. Mix it well. And the batter is ready. Put the shrimp into the batter. Then panko. Press it down so the panko stays well on the shrimp. All done, so it's time to fry them. And if you have leftover panko, don't throw it away. You can just keep it in a freezer bag like this and freeze it, and you can use it next time. I'm heating up some vegetable oil, canola oil, over medium-high heat. Let's check the temperature by dropping a little bit of butter. If you hit the bottom of the frying pan and comes up immediately, just like it did, it's the perfect temperature. So let's put the breaded shrimp into the oil. them for 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Looks good, so let's take them out and drain. By now, rice should be ready, so let's fluff it. Now I have everything ready to go, so let's assemble them into onigirazu. Plastic film on the cutting board. Nori seaweed diagonally with this rough side facing down. This is the shiny side and this is the rough side. Sprinkle a little bit of salt in the middle. Put some rice. And try to make it into a square shape. The size of the square is about the same size with 1/4 of the nori seaweed. Some lettuce. Ebi fry cut into half. Tonkatsu sauce or any sauce you like. More rice on top. Sprinkle some salt. Bring these two corners in. Bring this corner up as you push here. Same for the other side. Bring the corner up as you press here. Flip it over. Wrap it with the plastic film. Put it aside and rest it for a few minutes to settle. I made 6 of them. Let's cut and see how it looks inside. So prepare wet cloth. This cloth is to clean the knife, so your knife is always clean and slightly wet. When you cut it, don't chop, slice. And ebi fry onigirazu is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。Ebi fry is still crunchy outside, nicely saucy, and the white rice balance off the sauciness, and it's delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 2 side dishes. Ebi fry onigirazu is a combination of rice and main dish, so let's put it here. But ebi fry is not enough protein and I want to have more, so let's have kanitama for the main dish. Vegetable miso soup or any soup you like here. For one of the side dishes, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. For the other side dish, I think I want to have something green, so how about spinach gomae? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.